How to fix Minecraft update stuck at percentage. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the update on Minecraft, you want to simply check your internet connection. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. If you have a working connection, you want to simply check if the update has been fully available for the version of the application if you're using. For the version of the application that you're using, if it is not, what you can also do is you can simply uninstall the app from here and directly install when the update. And if you're still stuck on any of the updates, what you can do is, if you're updating Minecraft inside the app, you can simply uninstall Minecraft and install it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem as well, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again, and you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem with the update. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next